Hi everyone. In today's video, we are diving into double top and double bottom patterns, classic chart patterns. We will start with a general example, then break down the details. Plus, I will share real chart examples from XAU USD and USD JPY to show you these patterns in action. In the previous video, we covered the head and shoulders pattern in detail, and now we are going to dive into two other important patterns that are commonly used in both upturns and downturns, the double top and double bottom patterns. These patterns can be a very powerful trading system for traders, and by the end of this video, you will have a precise understanding of how to use this system effectively. In an uptrend, as you can see, with higher highs and higher lows, we are witnessing a clear bullish trend where new highs and higher lows are formed. Alternatively, we can describe it as observing an uptrend with higher lows and higher highs. In this context, we are seeing a bullish trend with the formation of higher lows and higher highs. As the buying power continues, we begin to notice a decrease in these strengths, which is revealed through a regular divergence. This divergence clearly signals a weakening of buyer momentum. When the price reaches a resistance level, the weakening of buyers becomes evident, and here we begin to see the formation of a double top pattern. Once the pattern is identified, we can draw the neckline to confirm that the pattern is forming. After the neckline is broken with a strength, it served as confirmation that the pattern is complete. And we can take a trade in the direction of the neckline break. The key question is how the neckline should be broken. It must break with a strong and clear candle, often referred to as a breakout candle. We can set our stop loss just below the breakout candle, and the neckline break point will be our entry point. When we define our target, it's typically measured from the neckline to the peak. For double top or the bottom for double bottom of the pattern. Once the target is set, the pattern plays out beautifully. In an uptrend, as you can see, when the price reaches a resistance level, we witness a decrease in the strength of the trend. The necessary and sufficient condition in this case is the weakening of the trend. When the price reacts to the resistance level, we wait for the neckline to be broken with strength, meaning a breakout candle. In this case, we can place the stop loss above the breakout candle and set the entry point at the neckline break for the target. We set it the nearest static support zone. This pattern, as you can see, will be the double top pattern. In this case, you have a complete trading system that you can use in your trades. I would like to draw your attention to the double top example from the USD JPY chart. downtrend. As you can see, when the price reaches a support level, we can witness a decrease in the strength of the trend. The necessary and sufficient condition in this case is the weakening of the trend. When the price reacts to the support level, we wait for the neckline to be broken with strength, meaning a strong breakout candle. In this case, we can place the stop loss below the breakout candle and set the entry point at the neckline here. We can set the target at the nearest upcoming resistance zone. This will be the double bottom pattern. Here, a complete trading system has been shown to you that you can use in your trades. I would like to draw your attention to an example of the double bottom pattern from the XAU-USD chart. If you are using this trading system as I personally do, make sure to consider the strength of the move and the power of the breakout candle as key criteria. These are essential confirmations for your decision making. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss future content. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments and I will be happy answer them. To better understand reversal patterns, make sure to check out my video on the head and shoulders pattern. It's closely related to what we discussed today and will complete your knowledge of these setups. Wishing you all successful and profitable trades. Stay tuned for the next videos.